What's up, guys? It's your boy CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about email blasting with a quickness, promoting your CPA offer. Let's get it, y'all.
Are you ready? Five.
All right, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about my email blasting tool that I use. I've had a couple of questions on how do I send out mass amount of emails, guys, and this right here is the ish. I'm telling you, no monthly subscription. Don't have to worry about dealing with any of those other email blasting companies where you have to pay a monthly fee. You get this one time, and it's done. And you can add as many emails in as many SMTP servers as you want, from Yahoo, Google to AOL. And each one of these accounts that you have that's connected to this email blaster will allow you to send 500 emails a day per account. 10 emails, 10,000 emails, so on and so forth. Add as many as you want and blast as much as you want all day. So be sure to like this video if you find this content value. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button if you ain't already hit it, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about what I'm about to do, guys. And be sure to watch the whole video so you can learn how you can get a chance to get this software for free. I always give out the software once a month to one of my affiliates for free. So stay tuned. Let's get it going. So first of all, I'm going to show y'all that right now I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 emails accounts activated on this this auto blaster right now. That gives me approximately 5,000 emails a day, and it's great, guys. I'm serious. Like, it saves me so much time. And what you do is you come to the message area and you set up your own newsletter or your own email, and you have this thing saved so you can send it on a daily basis. There's so much you can do with this email blaster. You can rotate your subject lines if you wanted to. I could change the subject line, and each email that sends out, while it's sending out through that period when you launch, it'll rotate each one of these subject lines for you automatically with each account, so you can mix and match and kind of test your headings to see which one's giving you the better conversions. Also, you can rotate the bodies. You can set up a newsletter or put them through a filter as easy as using Aweber or GetResponse. You know, you come right here and you create the body, and you can schedule it to be sent out on a specific day. And that's an awesome, valuable tool for a lot of people, because a lot of people don't understand that you have to get the traffic by bulk. So if you don't have the bulk, you're not going to generate the leads. So therefore, with this software right here, guys, you'll be able to generate those leads on a mass level without having to worry about paying for anything, except for, well, my training, of course. I mean, come on now, let's be real. No, I'm just playing. But anyway, yeah, so there's so many different things you can do with this software. There's they have templates that you can use that they have that are automatically set up to where you can just click on one of these templates right here, and you can create an email list off of this. It's already done for you and ready. If you do not feel like creating your own content, all you have to do is just put your company name, the heading, and whatever text you want, and then hyperlink to whatever you're trying to send your customer to, guys. I mean, can't get no better than that. Plain and simple, easy and fast, right? And I mean, you can do so many different things with this thing. You can even customize your emails if you have a contact setting, and I'll show you that later in a second. But I mean, you can edit HTML, insert HTML. This is all done in one place. But I'm gonna give you the nugget of this email blasting software here, right here, guys. The beautiful thing about this is most people send out mass emails, but they get sent to the spam box. And I'm about to show you why you get sent to the spam box right now. It's because most email blasting software or most email marketing tools that you use do not have a spam checker. That's right, a spam checker. So if after I create this email, say for instance, like I might say get paid today, and then put get paid right here and start now, right? So after you're finished with your email and you've got it all structured and put together, right? Then you hit this spam checker right here, and it's going to scan your email, and it's going to tell you what word sounds spammy. That's going to prevent your email from going directly to the inbox of your client. So as you see right here, it says this mail body is spammy and may not be delivered to the inbox. Please remove the word now. See, I added the word now. Now it's telling me my email is too spammy and it will not go to the inbox potentially. You know, not guaranteed, not saying that it wouldn't, but to prevent from becoming real spammy, you do a spam checker. So now I'm going to cancel that and I'm going to remove the word now. And then I'm going to hit spam check again. And now it says that my thing is not spammy. My email is not spammy anymore. It's successful. It's a good, clear email. I can send it easy, fast, with a quickness, right? So like I said, you've got rotating bodies, just so many different options you can play with, attachments, files, just numerous things. And here's what it looks like when it's done and it's final and it's ready. It's got my clickable link in it. You know what I'm saying? I've got it going to my website with my surveys, which is multiple CPA offers from multiple CPA networks. And the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the contacts. I don't have a contact set up in this one yet. Really, I have it set up in my other laptop. But as you see here, here's a list of emails I already have inside this email blaster. And depending on that list, if you had it in like an Excel sheet or a spreadsheet, the individual's name, the content name, would show up right here. So when you get ready to send out an email, you can send a custom email and use that client's name inside that email and potentially get a higher open rate because you're directing it towards them. It doesn't look as spammy because you're using their name, you know. So that's a beautiful thing about this as well. And it also tells you your unsubscriber list and your blacklist, so you don't have to worry about sending out emails to people that don't want to get your email and you're wasting your time and potentially get your account flagged. And then I'm just going to go ahead and give y'all a small demonstration of how this email blaster works. I'm just going to transfer all these emails right here over. It's going to transfer it over. See, I have two of them, two different emails that I can send. And I'm just going to click on this one and I'm going to send super fast. And it's going to start sending it instantly. And I'm going to go to my Gmail account and show you how these things send out instantly, guys. Instantly. Check this out. Let's get the process going. All right. Now we got action. We have started sending out emails. And see, I have 10 emails, accounts connected to this this email blaster. So it's going to send out 10 emails at a time every 20 after every 20 seconds. It's going to send 10 more emails. I have it on a 20-second delay so my account doesn't get flagged. When you get this software, the settings are already pretty much set. Do not try and tweak it or send out a mass amount faster at a quicker basis or anything like that, because you're going to get your stuff flagged and they're not going to go through anyway. You're only limited 500 a day per account. The more accounts you add, the more emails you get to send at once. As you see, we sent out 20 at a time right there. We're going to send out a few more, and then I'm going to go to my Gmail account and I'm going to show you in real time on a few of these accounts that these messages are going out. There goes 30 of them. So let's go to the Gmail account and check this out. All right, guys, as you see in real time right now, these are the, how many? One, two, three, four, five, six. This email account alone has sent out 6 emails by itself. And I'll show you one more. Let's check out another one. See, this other Gmail account has sent out a mass amount of emails as well, guys. This is just powerful. This is easy. This is simple. This is fast. This is how you get email blasting done with a quickness without having to spend a mass amount of money or pay for a subscription on a monthly basis. So let's get right to it. You already know the drill, guys. If you want to get this email software for free, please drop a comment in below, drop Smart Grind. Go share this video on one of your Facebook social media groups and send me a screenshot that you've sent it, and I will let you know if you've won the contest for the month to win this free software. This is your boy CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. This is Email Blasting with a Quickness. I'm out.
Are you ready? One.